Have you been looking for a diagnostic leak locator that will work on both emissions and boosted turbo systems? Well, you're in luck. Howdy folks, I'm Jeff Buckley, owner and master technician at my father's shop certified auto repair, and I've teamed up with Redline Detection to tell you about the Speed Smoke. Now this awesome machine is brand new and it's a portable self-contained unit right here. And so let me show you how it works. Now first off, this is a portable unit, and so it has the electrical connections to hook to the battery on the vehicle you're working on. So let's go ahead and hook that up. Now basically what you want to do is determine if you want to work on an evap system or you want to work on a boosted turbo system, and you just flip that switch to the side that you want to work on. If we're going to work on the evap systems, then this is a low pressure system, and this has one vapor line that comes with it. So it also comes with the adapter to hook up for the emission systems. And once we have it, then we just press up here to the vapor test, which turns on the smoke. And as you can see right here, we have a flow control. So as soon as we open that up, then this thing starts putting out plenty of smoke. This is plenty of smoke to test. And the system also comes with a rechargeable light, so that when you're looking for the leaks on the system, you have a light on the end of this, or you have the natural light, and you can see how well that shows up. If you're in an area where you really need a light, you can click it on bright, and this just helps you find the emission leak. So let's flip this back off. And of course with the emission systems, then you also get the adapters that will work with removing the core and attaching to the emission system plug. As you can see, we got a lot of smoke blowing back through here. So let me show you what else comes with the kit. So it comes with the accessory kit, everything that you need, and the first thing that you'll see here is a instruction manual that also gives you tips on testing emissions and boosted turbo systems. I really like this because it's in large print, so even us old guys can read it. Now of course the accessory kit comes with the oil that you need to get started. It only takes 2 ounces of this to get the unit started, and you have plenty of oil here for hundreds of tests. The other things that come with it is when you're doing the emission systems, you have the easy intake adapter. Now this is great because it's a pass-through device that you just hook the air line into, and you simply remove the air filter and stick this in the air intake, and you inflate it until it's sealed, and now you can test all of the intake system, test them for leaks, test them for lean codes. Now when you're doing the boosted systems, it has another adapter that works on the boosted systems, and because the boosted systems work under pressure, then you need an air chuck to inflate this one, and then the air intake hose simply clips onto this for a secure connection. It also has a little cable here that you can attach if you're worried that this might come loose, so you don't have any safety issues. The other thing that's also included in the kit is the old-fashioned plugs that anytime you have some of the emission systems and you're trying to plug up some of the holes when you're taking lines loose. So that's everything that comes with this system, and I'm sure that you'll decide that this is just one of the most awesome tools that you can have in your shop for testing emissions, boosted and turbo, whether you're working on the diesels or whether you're working on the new system to turbocharge the engines. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching.